Hey guys, this is your librarian, Miss Angie. Today I wanted to teach a lesson on the importance of using keywords to search for information efficiently. In this presentation, we will learn about keywords and their importance when searching for information online or in the library. We will explore how to identify simple keywords and use them effectively to improve our search results. Our discussion question for today is, why do you think choosing the right keywords is important when you are looking for information online or in the library? First, we will start with the basics. What are keywords? Keywords are specific words or phrases that describe the main ideas of a topic or question. They help search engines and databases understand what information you're looking for. For example, if you want to learn about whales, some keywords might be whales, marine animals, and ocean habitats. Using these keywords helps to narrow down the search results to the most relevant information. Why should you use keywords when you're searching? Well, using the right keywords makes searching efficient and helps find high-quality sources quickly, improving your research skills. The impact of good keywords on search results. Good keywords enhance search results by providing relevant information quickly, and it filters out unrelated content. This is especially helpful if you really have specific information you're researching. I have curated a collection of online resources that will be helpful for you. Two of the resources for children are Kiddle and KidSearch for kids. Kiddle and KidSearch are search engines designed specifically for kids. They provide a safe browsing experience by filtering out inappropriate content. When using these engines, students can find information, images, and videos suitable for their age group. They focus on simplicity, allowing kids to enter keywords and get relevant results quickly, making their search experience enjoyable and educational. A couple more great resources are DK Findout and Be Internet Awesome. DK Findout provides an interactive learning experience for kids with entertaining quizzes, videos, and diverse articles that make education enjoyable. Conversely, Be Internet Awesome, developed by Google, helps children gain vital skills for safe online interaction. It focuses on teaching them to spot internet risk and utilize effective search methods, thereby encouraging responsible digital habits and enhancing their research abilities in a fun way. I have also curated a great source for games and tools for learning keywords for students. Interactive games and tools can make learning about keywords fun and effective. For example, the Common Sense Education Search Sharks game teaches students how to refine their searches with keywords in an engaging way. Similarly, Fact Monster offers a tool for practicing keyword strategies that enhances students' ability to perform searches independently. These resources not only improve research skills, but also instill confidence in young learners. So in conclusion, understanding and using the right keywords is crucial for effective searching online and in the library. By mastering this skill, students will enhance their research capabilities and access high-quality information more efficiently. Utilizing targeted online resources like Kiddle, KidSearch, and educational games further supports their learning journey, making the process of finding information not only easier, but also more enjoyable. Thank you so much for listening to this presentation. I hope this helps you in the library. Thank you.